Back when, way back, I'ma take you way back, yo. One nigga's life on 2 inch. Let's go back, way back, Follow me now. I spent long days and long nights getting songs tight, but Mr. Battle Rap got seen in the wrong light. You know my resume, Scribble Jam, Rap Olympics, rap sheet, from then on it's all academic. I taught the underground how to make a flow great. Juice and Eminem on the Wake Up Show tapes. For most fans, that's when Juice was first seen. I showed the world how to spit it off the head verse clean. Showed MCs what a real verse mean. Nasty off the head since the age of 13. I used to embarrass other rappers back then, before T-Boz started dating Mac 10. Way back before I was a name in the game. No rap fame, no fat chain. Now they line up to see Juice when he tours. And for those that stuck with me, I'm exclusively yours. For real hip-hop, real hip-hop. Can't let them steal hip-hop. I'm here till the shit stop. So get 'em up if you feel hip-hop. Real hip-hop, real hip-hop. I can't let them steal hip-hop. I'm here till the shit stop. Now get 'em up if you feel hip-hop. Blaze Battle Cats tried to fly me out of O'Hare. Another competition for free, don't even go there. I paid my dues, I slayed my crews. I done ripped everybody, afraid of who? Tell HBO they gotta pay me when the jet land. And then I show the whole world that I'm the best man. Ask me, the whole thing was just a truly whack function. Crowd only cheered if one of the tracks touched them, Prime snapped. But it went to my man from Minneapolis. All y'all gotta feel J.U. when he rapping this. Idea got nothing. I knew this day would come around when networks and magazines would pimp the underground. If I sued, I could probably win for sure in court. Where the fuck is Blaze when niggas need tour support? We can't let the bureaucracy affect us. We getting raped by the cats put in position to protect us. Ill hip-hop, real hip-hop. Can't let them steal hip-hop. I'm here till the shit stop. So get 'em up if you feel hip-hop. Ill hip-hop, real hip-hop. I can't let them steal hip-hop. I'm here till the shit stop. Now get 'em up if you feel hip-hop. I think back to when I battled Supernat in 2000. Juice's first loss, what's he gonna do now? I held my undefeated rep sacred inside, but like all real G's, I had to take it in stride. A nigga beats me, and his flow is off key. That's when I vowed never let him make dough off me. On the wake up, Nat was saying Juice was pre-wrote. Not knowing I'm so sick, I see the next 3 quotes. And I know he sound like big, but Juice is unbelievable. You'd have to know me to understand, it's simply inconceivable. In this underground world, it's hard to be believed. When cats always try to say your shit is preconceived. Nat tried to give me some advice about my flow. He gave me the ultimate respect and didn't even know. He said stop writing your battle rhymes and freestyle more. I just smiled and thought, now that's what I freestyle for. Y'all don't have no idea. I swear I'ma always keep it real for y'all, for real. I mean that sincerely, from the heart, you know what I mean? What's this? This is ill hip-hop, real hip-hop. I can't let them steal hip-hop. I'm here till the shit stop. Now get 'em up if you feel hip-hop. Ill hip-hop, real hip-hop.